Let's be honest, your toolbox is looking a little prehistoric. While you're out there struggling with a rusty handsaw and a prayer, the world of engineering has been busy creating gadgets that make DIY look like a cheat code that you didn't know you needed until right now. We're talking about everything from handheld chainsaws that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie to a 6x6 truck that redefines the word utility. If you're ready to stop working harder and start working smarter, stay tuned. First up, we have the Works Jaw Saw, and if this thing doesn't make you feel like a futuristic lumberjack, nothing will. This isn't just a chainsaw, it's a fully enclosed pruning powerhouse designed for the guy who values his fingers as much as his lawn. The unique jaw design serves two purposes. First, it grabs the limb, holding it steady so the chain can rip through it in seconds. Second, that steel guard means the blade is never exposed, making it arguably the safest chainsaw on the market. Whether you're clearing storm debris or limbing a tree, the jaw saw can cut wood up to 4 inches in diameter directly on the ground. No more propping up logs or risking kickback. It's cordless, it's aggressive, and it's a total game changer for backyard maintenance. Now, if you thought this list was just for hand tools, think again. Sometimes the tool you need is a 700 horsepower beast that can carry a literal ton of gear through a desert. Enter the Hennessy Velociraptor 6x6. Available through specialized automotive listings and high-end marketplaces, this is the ultimate utility vehicle for the man who has everything. Based on the Ford Raptor, Hennessy adds an entire extra axle, an 8-foot cargo bed, and a Fox live valve suspension system. Why do you need 6 wheels? Because 4 wheels are for people who stay on the pavement. With 50% more traction and a supercharged V8 under the hood, this isn't just a truck, it's a mobile base camp. It's the tool you use when the job site is at the top of a mountain and there's no road to get there.
If you've ever tried to mill your own lumber, you know that bark is the enemy. It's full of dirt, sand, and grit that will dull your expensive sawmill blades faster than you can say timber. That's where the Debarker Pro comes in. This ingenious attachment connects directly to your chainsaw, turning it into a high-speed log peeling machine. Using 2 hardened steel blades on a rotating head, it shaves off the outer layer of the log with surgical precision. It's not just for cleaning logs, though. It's perfect for creating notches in log cabins or debarking fence posts. Instead of spending hours with a draw knife, the Debarker Pro lets the engine do the heavy lifting. It's rugged, it's loud, and it turns a grueling chore into a satisfying afternoon project. For the perfectionists in the crowd, let's talk about the master Puma P3. If you're still using a cheap tile snapper from the big box store, you're doing yourself a disservice. This is the Ferrari of tile cutters. Made in Italy, the P3 is engineered for professional-grade precision on everything from ceramic to porcelain and glass. It features a titanium-coated cutting wheel and a dual-scale measurement system that allows you to make consistent, repetitive cuts down to the millimeter. The ergonomic handle provides massive leverage with minimal effort, resulting in a clean break every single time. It even has a built-in lubricant dispenser to keep the wheel spinning smoothly. When you're laying expensive tile, close enough isn't an option, and the Master Puma ensures you never waste a single piece. If you do any electrical work, the Jakari Quadro is about to become your new best friend. This 4-in-1 tool is a marvel of German engineering, designed specifically for processing wires with insulated ferrules. In one fluid motion, it can cut the wire, strip the insulation, twist the strands, and crimp the ferrule. Normally, that's 4 different tools and 4 times the effort. The Quadro uses an integrated magazine for ferrules, meaning you can wire up a control panel or a home project in record time. It's compact, incredibly precise, and eliminates the crimping fatigue that comes with high-volume electrical work. It's expensive, but the time it saves pays for itself in a single weekend.
The tape measure is a masterpiece of design, but it's hard to read in dark corners and easy to forget your measurements the second you retract it. The eTape 16 fixes all of that by adding a large digital display to the side of a traditional 16-foot tape.
As you pull the tape out, the screen shows the exact measurement in inches, centimeters, or fractions. It has two memory functions, so you can store that one measurement without searching for a pencil, and it even calculates the center point of your measurement automatically. But the best part? It includes the width of the tape case itself, so you can take accurate inside corner measurements without having to bend the tape and guess. It's a tech upgrade that actually adds value to a classic tool. Rebar tying is quite possibly the most tedious job in construction. Your wrists hurt just thinking about it. But the automatic tying tool, often seen as a twister, turns that nightmare into a flick of the wrist. This tool uses a spiral mechanism. You simply hook the wire, pull the handle, and the tool spins the wire into a perfect tight knot in less than a second. It's not just for rebar either. Gardeners use it for securing trellises, and homeowners use it for fixing fences. It's a low-tech mechanical solution that provides high-speed results. If you have more than 10 ties to make, your joints will thank you for buying this. If you spend any time in the woods, the Agawa Boreal 21 is the folding saw you've been looking for. Most folding saws are flimsy or too small for real work, but the Boreal 21 is a full 21-inch bow saw that folds down into a completely self-contained, sleek bar. There's no loose parts, no exposed teeth to rip your backpack, and it opens in seconds with a patented tensioning system. The trapezium-shaped frame allows for large diameter cuts that would choke a standard folding saw. It's lightweight, made of anodized aluminum and stainless steel, and is widely considered the gold standard for overlanders and backcountry campers. Building a deck used to mean spending 3 days on your knees driving thousands of screws. The Camo Drive changes that entire experience. This is a stand-up deck fastening tool that attaches to your existing drill. It allows you to install deck screws while standing comfortably, using a collated strip system that feeds screws automatically. Whether you're doing face fastening or using edge clips for a hidden screw look, the Camo Drive is up to 5 times faster than traditional methods. It's a professional-grade solution for the DIYer who wants to finish the deck by lunch and actually enjoy the barbecue in the afternoon. The problem with most multi-tools is that they're a compromise, too small to get real torque and too clunky to be precise. Fix-it sticks are the exception. This Modular T-handle system uses high-quality bits and torque limiters that allow you to work on everything from high-end bicycles to precision firearms with total confidence. They're small enough to fit in a pocket, but strong enough for heavy-duty repairs. Because they're modular, you can customize your kit for exactly what you need. It's the ultimate EDC, or everyday carry tool, for anyone who hates being stranded by a loose bolt. Kreg is the king of pocket holes, but the Quick Flip is their answer to general-purpose joining. It's a double-ended bit that allows you to drill a pilot hole and a counterbore in one step, then flip the bit to drive the screw home. It sounds simple because it is, but the execution is flawless. It's impact rated, so you can throw it in your favorite driver without worrying about it snapping. If you're building furniture or doing home repairs, this tool eliminates the need for 2 drills and keeps your workflow moving at lightning speed. There is no feeling worse than a bolt head rounding off while you're working on your car. Your heart sinks and you know you're about to spend 3 hours with a drill and a prayer. Unless, of course, you have an extraction socket set. These sockets feature a reverse spiral internal thread that bites into the damaged bolt or nut as you turn. The more pressure you apply, the harder they grip. They work on rusted, painted over, or completely stripped heads. It's the emergency room of your toolbox. You might not use it every day, but when you need it, it's the most valuable thing you own. Working on a ladder is inherently sketchy, especially if the ground isn't perfectly flat. The ladder leveling tool, like the ones from Level Lock, are a pair of adjustable legs that bolt onto your existing extension ladder. With a simple foot pedal, you can extend each leg independently to compensate for uneven terrain, stairs, or sloping driveways. It's made of high-strength alloy steel and adds a massive amount of stability to your setup. Considering that ladder falls are one of the leading causes of home injuries, this tool is basically an insurance policy for your health. We've all done it, the look away and hope I don't hit my thumb technique.
The safety nailer is a simple plastic hinge with magnets that holds the nail in place while keeping your fingers far away from the hammer's impact zone. It's a simple plastic hinge with powerful magnets that accommodates everything from tiny finishing nails to massive framing spikes. It's especially useful for working in tight spaces where you can't get a good grip on the nail. It's cheap, it's effective, and it saves you from the black thumbnail of shame.
Standard work gloves are either too bulky to feel anything or too thin to actually protect you. NoCry Gloves are the middle ground. These are level 5 cut-resistant gloves made from a mix of polyethylene, glass fiber, and spandex. They are 4 times stronger than leather, but fit like a second skin. They're perfect for kitchen work, mandolin slicers anyone, woodworking, or handling sharp metal in the garage. They're breathable, machine washable, and provide the kind of confidence that allows you to work faster and safer. Sometimes a metal wrench just isn't the right tool, especially on polished chrome, PVC, or oil filters. The heavy-duty strap wrench uses a high-strength rubber strap to wrap around any shape and provide incredible grip without marring the surface. It's the universal wrench that works on everything from stuck jar lids to large plumbing pipes. It's a simple tool that solves the problem of how do I grip this without breaking it? The standard $5 caulk gun is a nightmare. It keeps oozing long after you let go of the trigger, leaving a mess everywhere. A high-end, drip-free caulk gun, like the ones from Tajima, uses a pressure release mechanism that stops the flow instantly. It also has a much higher thrust ratio, meaning you don't need superhero grip to squeeze out thick adhesives. It's a small investment that makes your finish work look 1,000 times more professional.
Finally, the Power Drain Snake. Instead of calling a plumber for $200, this Amazon favorite connects to your cordless drill. As the drill spins, the flexible cable snakes through your pipes, clearing hair, grease, and clogs in minutes. It's an essential part of home ownership that pays for itself the very first time you use it. And there you have it, 25 of the coolest, most useful tools you can find on Amazon right now. Whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend warrior, having the right gear doesn't just make the job easier, it makes it fun. All the links to these tools are down in the description below, so go ahead and upgrade that toolbox. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of high-tech gear, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe for more tool reviews, and let me know in the comments which one of these gadgets is going on your wish list first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.